Hello again and welcome back to the Glamrs studio. While keeping it simple, it's important to always try new ideas to enhance your makeup skills. And we thought, what better than going the liner route? We've done several liners in past videos, very basic liners, graphic liners and all of that. Now we're going to do dual liners, but by that I don't mean two liners. I mean the combination of two lining colors to make it one impactful eye makeup look. To begin with, I'm going to use a bright blue liner in the lower lash line. The reason I'm starting with the lower lash line is so it'll give me a guideline to what I want to do above. So let's get started. Go heavy with the liner. You can have as much fun as you want with it. I'm going to quickly blend that off. I'm going to repeat that on the other eye. The reason I'm working simultaneously is because gel eyeliners need to be blended quickly or they dry. So I'm not really pulling this look out or anything, just keeping it within the shape of her own eye. Now I'm going to introduce the next color. I'm going to use this bright blue in the crease line. So basically when you do the moon-shaped thing into the crease, it should barely just appear above the crease when you open your eye, just visible over the eye. But if you're inspired by the flower child looks of the 60s, I think this is a great look to try. Great for youngsters, great for people who have a young heart. So I'm going to go in with the next level of coloring, and now I'm going to combine it with the deeper color so you get a bit of contrast. Now take a thinner brush and blend only the dark line. I'm going to repeat that on the other eye. So just to keep going with this look, I'm going to now blend off blue just a little bit using a blending brush. So just going to soften off the corners. So if there's any excess fall of eyeshadow, just brush it off from the bottom. And use a good lashing of mascara to finish off the look. So that kind of takes care of that. I don't want too much focus on the lips or cheeks or anything, because then it stands out as a really cool, funky, colored look. I'm just going to keep the lips also quite nude. Going in with a soft nude pink lipstick. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, one that's colorful and emulates the sexy 60s. Stay tuned, stay glamorous.